Welcome to Reflective Symmetry screencast. Our objectives for this screencast will be that you can draw the axes of symmetry if a figure does have reflective symmetry, and also that you can create an image that has reflective symmetry. Let's look at the definition. Reflective symmetry is what happens when a figure does not appear to change after undergoing a reflection. This can sometimes be hard to understand, so let's take a quick look at a brief example. So here we have an image of a butterfly, and when we reflect it, it does not appear that anything has changed. Because of that, we say that it has reflectional or reflective symmetry. So the butterfly did not appear to change after we reflected it. It has reflective symmetry. The axis of symmetry is that reflection line, the line that you're folding over. Let's take a look at this first example. We would like to see how many axes of symmetry it has. So there's one. Another, 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 so in all there were 7 axes of symmetry. When looking for an axis of symmetry, it is best to try to find a pattern that you see repeats frequently, and then see if you could imagine folding that shape in half and seeing if it indeed has reflective symmetry. So it has 7 lines of symmetry. As we take a look at this one, I definitely see that there are relationships here, but I cannot find any type of fold line. So I would say that this has no lines of symmetry, or it has no reflective symmetry. I see it has rotational symmetry, but not reflective. So how can we create a figure so it has reflective symmetry? It looks like that we are going to have 2 axes of symmetry based off of the image that's provided. And what I'm going to do is just go segment by segment and reflect. So I'm going to take that first segment and reflect it across that horizontal line. Reflect it across the vertical line, and that's where it lands. Then I'll move on to the next segment and reflect it across the vertical line, and continue reflecting segment by segment until I have symmetry, or until I've finished that portion of the figure. So this is what it looks like so far after I reflected it across a vertical line. Now I'm going to continue reflecting, but this time horizontally. So again, I'm going to go segment by segment and reflect. And at this point, we have a choice. Do you want to continue reflecting horizontally? Do you want to reflect vertically? However you get to that last quadrant, you need to reflect. So this is a figure with reflective symmetry, and it has 2 axes of symmetry. So in this screencast, hopefully you have received strategies to draw axes of symmetry if a figure does have reflective symmetry, and also strategies to create an image that has reflective symmetry. Have fun!